Okay, welcome guys. I actually received a message from someone on Instagram. Person telling me guys is from Nigeria was asking me how can he withdraw his PayPal fund to his bank account. Okay, I know actually PayPal is not supported in Nigeria here. Okay, but as in you can't receive payments in Nigeria. But I've done a lot of videos on how to create a working PayPal whereby you can receive payments in Nigeria and also send. Okay, I can also link your Nigerian card whereby if you want to make payments, they can charge directly from your bank if you don't have money on your PayPal account. Okay, so the problem now is most of those cards are prepaid debit card. So most of them you can't withdraw to prepaid debit card. So there are different methods you can withdraw your PayPal funds. Okay, so first of all is if you are using the US PayPal account, it's very easy. If you are using a US PayPal account, you can go ahead create a Pioneer account. So you can attach the US bank on your Pioneer account to your PayPal, then withdraw the fund from your PayPal to your Pioneer, then for your Pioneer to your normal bank. Okay, I've done a video on all that, like how to create Pioneer account and the rest. Okay, so if you want a full detailed video on how to do all this, you can comment down below that okay, I want a full tutorial. Okay, and I will share it with you guys. Okay, I'm just using this video to explain to you guys that it's actually possible. Okay, so another method here is if you have a dollar card. Okay, not all those virtual dollar card. If you go to bank, you can tell a bank that okay, you want to open a dollar card. Okay, it's very easy. You can go to UBA. I think UBA they are charging 1,000 naira opening fee. Okay, to open the dollar card for you, they'll charge you 1,000 naira. Yeah, and I think you'll be given the card, and it has a limit of I think is it $1,000 monthly limit. Like if you want to spend, I think so. But different bank with their own limits. Okay, you can just it's not much you have an account with that bank, so you can go over there, register a um, request for a prepaid dollar card. Okay, so when you request for it, you'll be given, but I think they'll charge you, and I think they remove a yearly maintenance fee. I think it's just $2 or $10, something like that. But if but this is very good for people that are into all those paper business or people that usually receive a lot of money on paper. So maybe you receive maybe $500 today, $300 next month. Instead of you selling it to people online and they get scammed, because and the rate at which you sell it online, some people buy paper phone at the rate of 400 naira, 420, which is very poor. Okay, so you getting a prepaid dollar card will actually help you a lot, because once you get the card, you link it to your PayPal account and you can withdraw directly from your PayPal account. It might take like 2 3 days. Okay, so when you get the money, I think you can check the balance of your card. I think be giving some online access login. You can check. Okay, so from there you can go back to the bank and say you want to withdraw from your card. Okay, withdraw the dollar from your card. Okay, that's cool. And also you can use the card online to buy maybe some kind of crypto. There are some sites whereby you can use to buy crypto without you getting caught. Okay, there are just different methods, but if I'm to advise you, the best method I will suggest for you is getting a prepaid dollar card. Okay, get a prepaid dollar card. Okay, it's very easy. You don't need any formality. Just go to bank, register, pay, and you get the card. Okay, and it's actually cool, very cool, because it has a limit, high limit, and it's even good for people running ads, because now there is limit on all those Nigerian bank cards whereby some limit are $50, $20, which is just a little amount if you say you want to run Google ads, Facebook ads, Instagram ads. Okay, so it's not a good way, and with this method you can even start doing your paper business whereby you say you're buying paper funds. Okay, so you can buy paper phone from people. If people have paper, they can send to your account. And you can buy it at the range of $400, 400 naira, sorry. Then once you withdraw to your card, go to the bank, withdraw the dollar, collect the dollar. You can go to any local aboki around your area and exchange at the rate of 500 and something. gradually exchange dollar. I exchange dollar last 570. Yeah, that was last 2 months, 570. Okay, so you can see that maybe from a dollar you can be making close to 100 naira per dollar, and that's $10 is 1,000 naira. So this is like actually a good business idea if you have the authority online whereby people trust you and the rest. So you can actually give this a try. Not even give it a try. You should go for it because this is the best solution. So if you want a detailed tutorial, a full tutorial on how to create a US paper account, or how to link your PNR to your paper account, if you want a full tutorial on any of this, or if you don't get anything, just comment down below. Okay, I will reply to you and also create a video. So just comment, so that will be my next video. Thank you. Do have a nice day. And actually, if you have any other suggestion, you can put them down in description. Sorry, in description, in the comment section. Sorry. Don't forget to subscribe. Do have a nice day.